Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to do a quick little tutorial for you on Phantom Wallet. So this is really just the basics of Phantom Wallet. So first up, in Phantom Wallet, once you've made your account, the first thing to do if you haven't done this on setup is to go into settings. So what you want to do is go here where your account name shows. It opens a sidebar and you'll see settings right at the bottom. And then from there, you want to go security and privacy and show recovery phrase. Click in there. Then you're going to enter your password and you're going to agree that you won't show your private key to anybody and write down your private key or keep it in a very secure location so that if you need to recover your wallet, you have that seed phrase. That recovery phrase. Now, you can find all your wallet addresses right on the top here, and you can just click on that if you need to give someone your wallet address to send you some Solana or whatever it may be. When you want to buy Solana, Ethereum, and so forth, you need to click in here, choose what you want to buy. So let's say Solana, and here you're going to put in the amount of Solana you want to buy. Let's just click on 100 USD. So now it's going to ask you, how do you want to pay? And here we have some providers, but over here is how you can pay with your Binance, or if you use PayPal, Google Pay, so forth, a credit or a debit card. This is where you will input in those information to pay. Then you will just go to buy. Now next up we have swap. As you can see here, this is where you would swap tokens or swap coins. Solana is the default that you pay with, but you can change that. I don't have anything else on here. And then this is the actual coin you are looking to buy. So let's say we want to buy USDC. You'd put in the amount and you'll see 1 Solana is equal to 165 USDC. I don't have any funds here. And then once you're done there, you'll click on buy, which is where insufficient funds now is, and you'd review the order and your transaction will be complete. This is where you can send coins, and let's say you want to send Solana, you get the recipient's Solana address or the exchange's Solana address, put it in here, the amount, click next, and then it's the same story, review, buy, or send. And then if you want to receive, again, here you can also find your wallet addresses as you can here on the top. Send that to whoever is sending you Solana or whatever it is. Done deal. And that is it, guys. That is the end of my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. There is a lot more to get into with Phantom Wallet, but I am going to leave it right there. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.